longer. It's so good. Oh, fun. Disney tired? Better than... Hey guys, we're at the Magic Kingdom monorail station. We just got dropped off from our Uber and we're headed to the Magic Kingdom today. It is currently 9:21. We're running a little late. That's okay. Here we go. And the challenge today is to ride every ride that we want to. Not everything, maybe not like Magic Carpet rides and stuff like that. We're gonna try ride every ride at Magic Kingdom today. This morning we woke up, got our virtual queue for Tiana's, so that's checked. We are boarding group 48, I believe. And I guess we gotta go through security here to get on the monorail. Here we are, the Magic Kingdom monorail. Now we could take the ferry boat or the monorail, guys. Let's do the, y'all want to do ferry boat or monorail?
I don't know the monorail.
We're gonna take the ferry boat. Maybe we'll take the monorail back. How is everybody feeling today?
Good.
Pretty good. Feeling pretty good?
Look, there's the castle.
Oh my gosh! Look, there comes the boat. There's the castle.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, I think we made a good decision going on the ferry boat. Well, I say that. There it is. Welcome aboard the first ferry boat train to Magic Kingdom. Wait, is that a yawn?
We're walking off the ferry boat.
Oh, look, it's like decorated.
Look, there's the train.
Here we are, guys. Abby, we made it.
We're in Disney World again.
In Disney World. Woohoo! We'll come back and get pictures. Look how cute it is in here. We could do pictures when it's not so hot. Welcome to Adventureland. There's the spring roll cart. The game plan is to head to Big Thunder Mountain. We're gonna ride that first before the rain comes this afternoon. So we're just gonna knock out all of these rides that we can do.
The outside rides.
The outside rides. That way we get that done. The only thing we're not gonna be able to do today, I think, is Jungle Cruise. I think it is actually...
It's down for real.
Down, yeah.
That's where we're gonna get our goal. Aloha Isle.
There's Aladdin. Jungle Cruise. Chanatiki Room. Big Thunder is at 30. So now we're gonna head to our favorite ride, Pirates of the Caribbean.
Because I just recently watched
5 minutes.
I love it. Wait, did you watch the movie on the way here?
I did. I didn't get through it all, but yo ho ho ho, a pirate's like woman. It's a walk-on.
I'm getting wet.
I know. Our butts are gonna be wet already. Oh, here we go.
Oh,
No, here we go.
Hold on, Abby. Here we go.
Come on, cockroaches. Surrender, Captain. Sparrow, speak up.
Oh, quit your clucking.
Here I be, the treasure. Captain Jack Sparrow's face. When the ears tell, 'tis only me.
Pirates ride was so much fun. The effects are just amazing. I love it. The smell that is in there, it smells like you're in the ocean. It's pretty good.
There were chickens in there.
There was chickens, we saw cats, but it ended too fast for me. Wish it was a little bit longer. Woo, my ears. I'm wearing Abby's ears because she's got the hat on. It's a bear in the wild. All right, next we're gonna be heading over to the Haunted Mansion. 20-minute wait.
Probably have to get practice.
Host.
Are we going down?
That's somebody doing it. Next ride is Cruise Adventure, I believe is what it's called.
The east wind traded places with the west wind.
He'll never reach.
It's just great, doesn't it? Oh, honey.
Ariel's under the sea.
I was born from a
small blue egg.
Let's go underwater.
I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty.
Maybe it's that sea witch. Listen to me. Stay seated in your cloud shed. If we should be like we can under the sea. Do I help you? Yes, indeed. There's something about her.
Ride is done. We just got called back to our boarding group for Tiana's, so we're gonna head over there, and this will be our first time riding it. Oh, it's so cute. They've really changed it. Look at all the flowers. 50-foot plunge for this Tiana's.
50 foot?
Yeah, that's what it says. It's Tiana's kitchen. So cute. Look at her beignets. First time riding Tiana. I think just opened up this year. 30.
Rows 11 and 12.
Band for a celebration.
Here we go. That went so bad.
It's getting worse. It smells so good.
It does. It smells like lemongrass.
I could get it.
We've got to keep searching high and low.
Time to think big. And it's time to go.
Oh my God. Now we're having a little snack, Dole Whip. Abby got the pineapple, and Maddie got the coconut.
Coconut's the best in the world.
It is the best in the world. Wait, no, there's a hole. They gypped ya. They gypped ya.
Look how far it goes.
Oh no.
Look at this, guys.
Do you have a hole in yours?
Watch, film it.
What? No.
No wonder.
I was like, that was so much. I was thinking, I'm glad we only got 2. It's gonna be plenty.
Look at it.
It's so good.
But like better.
Hands down, better than the Mickey's ice cream everything. If you're looking for a cold dessert, this is it. The coconut Dole Whip is like not on the menu, so it's kind of like a secret item. And so just ask for it and they go to the back and they get it for you. It's pretty fun. Where you want to sit? Let's do it. Ready, Abby? Train time. Train time. Train time.
Fantasyland. Before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Keep your hands and arms, feet and hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights.
Here is Tron. We made it over to Tron, and dang, that's nuts.
So
That's
cool.
nuts.
That's it.
I mean, you're like straight face down, you know?
You are unable to join us for the entire 20-minute experience. We kindly ask that you gather your belongings now. Experience.
We're stuck.
We're stuck.
It's nap time.
Carousel of Progress was Walt's own idea from beginning to end. Beautiful tomorrow. Flying contraption. It'll never work. Phew, boy, how does
People Movers is back on. Let's go.
We were falling asleep in Carousel Progress.
I know. We need something to wake us up. This is probably not the ride for that. But it was down. Now it's back up. And also, you have to walk on these now. They don't, it's not automatic.
I think it broke.
That was like such an incline to walk up.
Close automatically. Enjoy your journey.
Disney tired? Disney tired?
No, I was not tired before Carousel Progress, but we had Dole Whip, so our bellies were full, and it was AC, and comfortable chairs, and a quiet ride. In the dark, too.
Abby.
This is not good.
We need to go on a thrill ride.
8 more hours left.
I know, we have 8 more hours left. Whoa! There we go. No, that's Space Mountain. They're strong.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers.
Last time we were here, they were building this. That's how long it's been.
I'm Borak 5. I'm rolling through the future.
Oh wait, we get to look at Space Mountain.
Oh yeah, it's not going though.
First up is Progress City. It's a dream for a community of tomorrow. Did you know Progress City inspired Epcot? On your left is Star Traders, home to the greatest goods in the galaxy.
Sean.
Yep. That's pretty intense.
That's gonna be intense, I know. Here's Space Mountain. Hopefully.
It's like Avatar, but like in real life. It's a truck!
Look at all those strollers. Next ride is Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin. We're gonna see Buzz, I guess, do some spinning.
It's like Toy Story Mania, but this is the original.
Okay.
Like game version.
Game. Alright. Looking forward to some AC.
Yeah, me too. We just got a pretzel and it was delicious.
Yeah? Probably feel a little better. There's our shooters.
I'm riding with you.
Okay. She's riding with me.
Oh, yeah. Really? We can spin it.
Oh, fun. There we go.
First line of defense. Neutralize them with your laser cannons.
So hard. Not working too much.
Oh,
The laser's not working. That's horrible.
but is he not going to say? We are now in line at Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Hopefully you can hear me. It was closed for a while, and then we rode Pirates again, and it opened back up, so we ran over here. Okay, got your ears?
And it's definitely worth the wait. I think we waited like 40 minutes. It was really fun.
Yeah.
We also went in line later in the day because this queue gets hot when you're waiting in line.
It was hot.
That was so fun.
But that was the first roller coaster you ever went on.
Yeah. That was the first roller coaster I've ever went on.
Yeah. So it's kind of special, right?
Yeah.
You ready for the wildest ride in the wilderness? You ready?
Hold on, Dad.
Okay, you can hold on to me.
It's gonna go fast.
Oh, it's gonna go fast. Don't be scared.
That's my favorite ride now.
That's pretty good, huh?
Sun is starting to set now. Finally getting nice out here. I think, yeah, it was hot. But I think we're gonna go maybe find some dinner now.